How are you?
Good.
Yes. Who is your daddy and what does he do?
My daddy is Detective John Kimball.
Negative. Come on, don't bullshit me. And you expect me to believe you?
Maybe.
Come on, don't bullshit me.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you? Who are you?
Who are you?
Hey, I'm a police officer. I'm Detective John Kimball. John Kimball.
Who's John Temple?
I'm a cop, you idiot!
That's fine.
No deal.
Alright then, bye.
Well, you must be very proud of yourself.
This is Ivy's lobby.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm alright.
Good. I want to ask you a bunch of questions, and I want to have them answered immediately. Sarah Connor? I'm a friend of Sarah Connor. I was told that she's here. Where is she?
I'm a friend of Sarah Connor.
Where is she?
Ivy.
Good
Hello.
morning. How are you?
Morning.
She's a healthy female of breeding age. I'm a friend of Sarah Connor. I was told that she's here. Where is she? Hello?
Don't know.
Come on, don't bullshit me. You know you're lying.
No,
Bullshit. Fuck you.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello.
How are you?
This is Quick Trip Payphone. I don't know who you're trying to get hold of.
Sarah Connor. I'm a friend of Sarah Connor. I was told that she's
she's
here.
not here right now. Hello?
Good morning. How are you? I'm a
Good,
friend
how are
of
you?
Sarah Connor. I was told that she's here. Where is she?
I have no idea, man. This is the payphone.
Come on, don't bullshit me. Fuck you.
Dude, I'm standing outside of a Quick Trip on the payphone. I swear to God, you got the wrong number.
Bullshit.
I'm serious, man. Check it.
Where is she?
Try to redial. This is you really do have the wrong number, man. I'm not fucking
Where is
with you.
she? Come on, don't bullshit me. Where is she?
I'm serious with you, man. I'm serious. I'm dead serious. You got the wrong number. I wish I knew her, bro.
You idiot! This is me, Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Kentucky Fried Chicken?
Bullshit. Good morning. How are you?
Taco Bell?
Bullshit. Come on, don't bullshit me.
Arby's?
I'm a friend of Sarah Connor. I was told that she's here. Where is she?
Hello?
Good morning. How are you?
Okay, this is Quick Trip Payphone. Please stop calling.
Bullshit.
Yes, it is.
Fucking bitch.
Hello?
Good morning. How are you?
Hello?
Good morning. I want to ask you a bunch of questions, and I want to have them answered immediately. Sarah Connor? I'm a friend of Sarah Connor. I was told that she's here. She's a healthy female of breeding age. Where is she?
Hello?
Good. Hi. How are you? Hi. How are you?
Good,
Hello.
how are you?
Good. I want to ask you a bunch of questions, and I want to have them answered immediately. I'm a friend
not
of
gonna
Sarah
answer any of
Connor.
them. Stop
I
calling
was
the
told
phone.
that she's here. Come on, don't bullshit me.
Technology department?
Hi, how are you? I'm a friend of
Fine,
Sarah
thank you. What can
Connor.
we do for you?
I was told... Sarah Connor? I'm a friend of Sarah Connor.
I'm sorry, we
that
can't
she's here.
understand you. What'd you say?
Sarah Connor? Where is she? She's a healthy
I have no
female
idea.
of
This
breeding
is the
age.
geology department. You're calling a payphone at the University of... Is that what you're looking for?
No. Sarah
Okay,
Connor?
you have the wrong number. This...
Fuck you.
Excuse me?
Fuck you, asshole. Fucking
Really?
bitch.
May I ask who's calling?
John Kimball. John Kimball. You son of a bitch.
Did someone give you the wrong number?
No. Where is she? Sarah Connor?
You have a payphone, sir. You have called the wrong number. I'm not sure what area code or anything, but you are disturbing people at the University of...
You idiot! Fucking bitch.
How about if we just transfer you to the University Police?
Fuck you.
Now, whatever your name is, get ready for the big surprise.
I'll be back. Hasta la vista, baby.
Hello?
Hi, how are you? How are you?
Hello?
Good morning, how are you?
What was that?
How are you?
Hi.
Hi. I want to ask you a bunch of questions, and I want to have them
How's it
answered
going?
immediately. Good. Who is your daddy, and what does he do?
Can't hear you very well.
Who is your daddy, and what does he do?
What was that?
Who is your daddy, and what does he do?
Well, my daddy is a lawyer. His name is Brad. And, well, technically he's my stepdad. But my real dad's a plumber by the name of Mike. And I don't really see him much in Arizona, but he did actually help me fix a leaky faucet over the phone. Pretty cool. Have you ever checked out plumbing? Check it out. It's pretty sweet.
No. You know you're lying.
Check it. What was that?
You know you're lying. Come on, don't bullshit me.
Not even a little bit.
Bullshit! Fuck you.
Ouch, dude. Ouch.
You're a fucking choir boy compared to me. A choir boy.
Later.